everybody, welcome back to Electronics Wheel, and as you all can guess from the title of the video, we are going to take a look at the Rapid Iot Prototyping Kit, which is a comprehensive, secure and power optimized solution designed to accelerate prototype and development of an IoT end node. So the Rapid Iot integrates 11 NXP devices, that is the microcontroller, low power connectivity, sensors, NFC, secure element, power management and interface in a small form factor hardware design, and it combines with proven software enablement for the drivers, real-time operating system, middleware and cloud connect, with a web IDE with graphic user interface based programming. So it is one of the easiest and the fastest way for anyone to take their Internet of Things to proof of concept. So the Rapid Iot Prototyping Kit, it features a Kinetis K64 MCU based on Arm Cortex M4 Core. It has a wireless MCU, and it has NFC. It has sensors such as Gyroscope, accelerometer, barometer, temperature, humidity sensor, air quality sensor, ambient light and capacitive touch. So this module can be programmed using the Rapid Iot Studio IDE, and they support iOS and mobile applications for Cloud Connect platforms. So let's unbox this item and take a look at the item itself. So pretty good packaging. So yeah, let's open it up and see. So yeah, we got the module itself over there, and we got the quick start guide. Let's see the quick start guide. Oh yeah, it got a cable also. So we'll take a look at the quick start guide. So let me put that. Oh yeah, so this gives the details about various switchers and buttons available in it. It has it has oh, let me zoom in a bit. Okay, this thing got a clip, I think, for maybe a reset button or for removing the module itself. Let's look at the module. So you need to actually power this thing on. It'll come in a 0 battery percentage. Actually, I'm not going to use that wire. Instead, I'll use my wire. So I'll use this wire. Let me plug in. Right, I plugged it in. Let's see how this thing boots up. Okay, it's booting up. Nice display, and actually these 4 are touch buttons, and we have 4 other buttons also. Powered by Atmosphere. Oh, cool. I like Atmosphere and its products. Let it boot, and the first thing we're going to do is we are going to enable all the sensors and take a good look at all the sensors available. So let me try. Oh yeah, it's loading. Oh, it's in the factory default format. So let's go to app, and now let's activate. All the sensors by default are switched off, so we need to switch on all these sensors. So let's go to sensors. Okay, so we'll go there. You can see that the temperature sensor is off by default. Let's click on the toggle. It's on the bottom left, and it's, as you can see, it's on now. Go to next. On this light sensor, okay, the pressure sensor, one of the most important sensors that I like and I use also. Air quality sensor, accelerometer, gyroscope. Okay, gyroscope can be used for detecting the, oh yeah, it's a little there. So and we'll go back and check out the application. So go there, thermostats. Oh yeah, it's showing out temperature. So the current temperature is 26 degrees Celsius. Oh, cool. Humidity is 49%. Oh, the light ambient. So let me put onto my flashlight and see if there's any difference. Oh yeah, actually there's a difference. It's making a big difference in that. It's 221. Now let's bring it closer. It's decreasing to 15. Oh yeah, so this thing just get decreased. It's working. Cool. Actually, I have never used a light sensor before. My first time experience. Then we have pressure sensor. Oh, there's a pressure. That's 1012 hectopascal. Cool. Actually, the short form of this is also QNH. So the QNH is 1012. It's used for mainly aviation. It's cool. This is the air quality, so you can say 4 ppb. I don't know what that means. Oh, motion. Let me check. Oh yeah, it's detecting. Uh-oh, still detecting. Oh yeah, okay. Free fall. Okay, so it's also working. Oh, tap gun. I'll not activate that. I hate that. Okay, so let me try this RGB. Okay, red, green, blue, white, yellow, cyan, purple, off. That's all. We got settings. Let me see what's there. Oh, so here you can see all the Bluetooth, NFC, thread, all stuffs like that. Suppose yes, it's correct. You can see the thread. It's off. You can on it by pressing the toggle, and you can join here. You can use the NFC also. The buzzer is on. Okay, so the backlight will be powering on your whole display. If we off it, you can see the backlight has gone off, but we'll on it. Oh, we'll off it. This is better. Oh, we got the sensor tag. Let me on it. It's on. Oh, I'll not press that. We go to settings, applications. Okay, these are the all the things available. We got application information, sensors. So we looked at that. So this is about the NXP IoT prototyping kit. As you can see here, Bluetooth is enabled. And in the next part of this video, we'll be looking at the getting started with the Android applications and all of those stuffs. And thanks for watching. Please give a like and hit the subscribe button if you're new for more updates. And thanks for watching, everyone. Thank you very much.